Hi guys, this is 2010 Toyota Hybrid Camry. So this one had a problem with water leaking in here. You can see there was a lot of water in here. Okay. So why like this leaking the coolant? This one I can feel that this pipe is very cold and this pipe is very hot. So that means this thermostat is not here. We need to remove the thermostat housing and we have to replace the thermostat rack. So that's why leaking water in here. You can see thermostat housing, the two 10mm bolt. Okay guys, you can see the underneath all the coolant leaking. So first we have to drain the coolant. Okay, so drain the coolant. Okay, we're going to off the 10mm bolt. Okay, on the bottom bolt. Okay. Yeah, the thermostat. So I'm going to wiggle it. Guys, this is old thermostat valve, and here's the new valve. So when you put this valve in up, okay, we have to put back the pipe, hose pipe again, with the bolt in it. So then after you have to put the coolant. Okay guys, when we start the car and leave it for the bleed in the system of the coolant,